shelter from all that we see. Why should we worry? No one will care. Look at the stars, they're so far away. We've got tonight. Who needs tomorrow? We've got tonight, babe. Why don't you stay?
Thank you.
Live na live yun, oh!
Thank you. Sibukan na pasensya na nag-live ako, pero... Sorry. Pero thank you, Araneta. Maraming
Sige,
salamat.
Cheryl,
Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Thank you, thank you.